Hey guys, it's Freddy here again. We just left Houston and now we're going back to St Pancras. I thought of doing the video now actually. So we're just about to cross the road. So just wait just a minute. And I've got my special jingle book here. Oliver will be found. Right. So basically, what I really like about is the St Pancras was actually was the outside of the station where Harry Potter went. And the only reason why it's because they never actually filmed King's Cross Station because they want to use St Pancras as its entrance. But anyway, here we are in St Pancras, at St Pancras. We're just going to go to that arch there, not that one, but the one over there by the clock tower. So you're just going to follow us while we just get there. Okay. So mummy, I think it's best. You know what we'll do actually. So this is what we could do. We'll just so basically what we're going to do, Mama, we're going to come, well, in the morning, when it's open times, we'll go straight to the Harry Potter shop, and then we'll we'll go to the, I'll be Harry Potter, and then we're going in the shop, once it's our turn, look for the two events I want, and we'll pay with my money. Then once the unicorns, once we left, what we would do, we'll go for one last time for one more section, but not Euston Station, St Pancras. And then after that, we'll just go through the gates and just spend a couple of minutes before we have to get our train back home. How's that? Good idea?
Good idea.
Just as I thought. What did I tell you, Mummy? Look what's still here. We're at Euston now, and you won't believe what we have right here. It's the classic Eurostar and the new Eurostar over there. Isn't she such an amazing local? Such a lovely train. And I love that train. It's so cool and so fast. I think the old one's much better than the new one. I mean, look at it. So big too. Oh, just a minute. It seems like we got another train coming in. One of the new ones is coming in. Look at that, guys. Well, I suppose I will see you in the next one. I suppose I will see you soon, guys. So I'll see you in the next one, and look out for my special movie that's going to be coming up, My Little Pony Thomas and Friends movie. It's going to feature Twilight and her friends, as well as Thomas and Friends, and there's going to be a backstory about how an engine made Twilight sparkle and helped her save Equestria. See you later. Bye.